Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that exercise 3, first question. The question is given, find each of the following products. The first main I'm choosing third question. The question is given 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. Okay, find each of the following products. Okay, so 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. Clearly these two are what, Nana? Mixed fractions. Yes, now I am going to convert these mixed fractions into an improper fraction. We need to multiply the whole number part with the denominator of a proper fraction. So that is 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. So 3 2s are what? 6. And then add the numerator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. By denominator is 3 into, here also we need to multiply the whole number part with the whole number with the denominator of a proper fraction. So that is 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 1, that is 16, 16 by 5. We multiply the product of two fractions, that is nothing but the product of their numerators by the product of their denominators. Simply numerator into numerator, that is 7 into 16 by 3 into 5. Okay, the product of their numerators by the product of their denominators. 7 16s are, that is what, Nana? 112 by 3 5s are 15. Okay, so we can write 112 by 15. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, like this, in the same manner you to practice the remaining questions. Okay, now the second main is given, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Second question is given, multiply and reduce to lowest form. So this is the question, multiply and reduce to lowest form. In that first question I am taking 3 6 by 8 into 2 1 by 7. Okay, 3 6 by 8 into 2 1 by 7. These two are mixed fractions. Then what I am doing, see clearly, it is a mixed fraction. I am going to convert it as an improper fraction. We need to multiply the whole number with the denominator of a proper fraction. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 6, that is 30. 30 by 8 into, here also we need to multiply the whole number with the denominator of a proper fraction. That is 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, we need to add numerator also. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 7. So by multiplying the product of their numerators by the product of their denominators, that is 30 into 15 by 8 into 7. Okay, so 30 15s are, simply 15 3s are 45, 0 right here, means 30 into 15 we get, that is 450 by 8 7s are 56. Now we get their product is 450 by 56. We reduce to, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Lowest form lo ela rayali deenni? How to write this one in lowest form? We need to find their HCF. Okay na? First ee renditi HCF find out cheyadam. Okay, the HCF the highest common factor of 450 and 56. Okay, 450 and 56. I'm dividing bigger number 450 with 56. Okay, so you need to take the multiples of 56, which is exactly equal to 450 or which is very close to 450. That is 56 nines are, I'm estimating what I get. 9 6 are 54, 9 5 are 45 plus 5, 9 5 are 45 plus 5 50. So we cross it. Again I'm estimating 56 into 8, 8 6 are 48, 8 5 are 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So 56 8s are, I get to 448, which is very close to 450. Yes, so that's why 56 8s are 448, and by doing subtraction 450 minus 448 we get 2. Yes, now 2 as a remainder. 2 is what, Nana? Remainder. This 2, it is act as a divisor. The divisor 56, it act as a dividend. Okay, now by using 2 table, 2 28s are 56. So clearly we get the remainder is 0. The last divisor is what, Nana? That is HCF. So the HCF of the highest common factor of 450 and 56 is, that is 2. The HCF of these two numbers what, Nana? 2. Now we should divide. We should divide 450 by 56. Then lowest form lo ela rayali? We should divide the numerator and the denominator. Numerator and denominator with their HCF. We get, that is 450 by 56 now. We should divide the numerator 450 by 2 and 56 also by 2, because of their HCF is 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Means 225s are 450, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 28s are 56. The lowest form of 450 by 56 is, that is what, 225 by 28. Okay, na? 225 by 28. So this is the required answer for this question. You to take the remaining problems in the same manner. First you multiply, then after you will get the required answer. That one you just write the lowest form by finding their HCF. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. The question is given, which one is greater? Which one is greater? So in that first question is given 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So this is the question, which one is greater? This part, this one or this one? By seeing we cannot say, because of clearly the given this side denominators are different and this side also denominators are different. We need to first multiply this. Okay. Now see the part 1. 2 by 5 of nothing but that is into 4 by 7. Okay, now the product of their numerators, that is 2 into 4, and the product of their denominators, that is 5 into 7. So we get 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. Okay, and here also, this side also, 3 by 4 of is nothing but into 1 by 2. The product of their numerators, that is 3 into 1 by the product of their denominators, that is 4 into 2. That is 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. So we get 8 by 35 and 3 by 8. So this side their product we get 8 by 35 and their product we get, that is 3 by 8. Out of this, which one is greater means, we just want to convert these two fractions. What are they? 8 by 35 and 3 by 8. ఈ రెండింటిని like fractions కి మార్చాలి. ఓకేనా? We just convert them into like fractions. What I am doing here, you observe carefully. I am taking this fraction 8 by 35. I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator. I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction denominator. Okay na? Ento multiply chestuna second fraction denominator, that is 8 8. And as well as in the same manner, I am taking the second fraction 3 by 8. I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the first fraction denominator. What is that one? 35 35. Okay, first fraction numerator denominator ni second fraction denominator తోటి multiply చేస్తున్నాం, and as well as second fraction numerator denominator ni we are multiplying with the first fraction denominator. Okay, so clearly we get 8 8s are 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64 by 8 into 35, 35 into 8, 8 3s are 24, 240, 8 5s are 40, that is 280. And this side also 3 35s are 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 105 by 8 into 35, that is 280. So clearly the denominators are same. Here denominator is 280 and the denominator is 280. So these two are like fractions, same denominators. Now it is very easy to compare which one is greater. By comparing the numerators, 64 is a bigger number, or 105 is bigger number, 105. So you can say that 64 by 280 is less than 105 by 280. Means this is the bigger number. So therefore we can write 8 by 35 is less than 3 by 8. So which is greater means 3 by 8 is the greater. Like this you can do the remaining problems in this manner. Okay.